If you had been managing the Magellan Fund this morning,
Yes.
you would have been buying like crazy?
I would have been researching like crazy. I would have been saying, which companies are the same story? Is there anything really happening? This is a non-event for them. They're still doing well. Even if we have a recession, there's nothing to do with them. And that's the kinds I would try to buy. But let's say if a company, just think of it, this as being, you say to yourself, I think this company's going to earn something in the future. If it's already discounting that, if it's selling at a huge multiple, you say, it has to work. And then it's only going to stay even. So you have to say to yourself, if I'm right, how much am I going to make? If I'm wrong, how much am I going to lose? That's the risk-reward ratio. In Stock Shop, we talk about, if I'm right, I hope I'm going to double, triple my money. If I'm wrong, maybe I'll lose 30, 40%. That's a favorable ratio. You say, if I'm right, the stock's not going to go up. It's already discounting terrific things. If discounting terrific things are already in the stock, I don't want to own it.
Okay, so this morning you get up and you go in and you look at those companies that fit
that you know something about. You have to have an edge. I mean, let's say the cement industry goes from crummy to semi-crummy to fairly good.
Yeah.
The stocks are going north.
Right.
You're going to make money. That's the industry you know. What if you know the publishing industry? Some people have an edge. You work. I mean, what if you last 30 years you worked in the restaurant industry? You would have seen Taco Bell.
Right.
You would have seen Sbarro's.
Right.
You would have seen Pizza Hut. You would have seen Chili's. You would have seen these companies doing very well. You should have bought those instead of trying to buy biotechnology stocks you know nothing about. I mean, I know nothing about local area networking. A lot of people are buying this Cisco. They're buying the equipment, saying, we're going to route together all these peripherals, we're going to put together the servers.
Well, but that's not a bad buy because they own a huge percentage of their market.
You know what, they're saying only a few people had that. I said, my God, if it works for us, other people try it, then colleges will try it, high schools will try it, then they'll go overseas. They knew they were early in the ball game.
Right.
And they should have been buying that company instead of out buying something they don't know anything about, some oil drilling company. I mean, people have this tendency to always buy something they don't. All you need is a few, Charlie, all you need is a few good stocks a decade.
But this is your song. This has been your song for a long time.
but
Only
here's the
buy
point.
what you know.
No, but people are waking up in the morning and say, there's 5,000 companies out there. Which one should I buy? The average person ought to be able to follow 4 or 5 companies. They ought to be able to lecture on them. They understand the companies.